In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a Google form link via WhatsApp. If you already have a form ready and you're looking to collect responses quickly, this is a simple workflow you can follow from start to finish. All you need is access to your form and WhatsApp on your phone or computer. I'll show you exactly where to find the correct link for respondents and how to share it clearly. First, open Google Forms in your browser or through Google Drive. Make sure you're signed into the account that owns the form so you see the right projects. On the form's homepage, you'll notice templates at the top and your recent work just below. If you juggle multiple accounts, glance at your profile icon to confirm you're in the correct one. Next, look for your form in the recent section and click its thumbnail or title to open it. If you don't spot it immediately, use the search bar at the top to find it by name. Once it opens, double check you're in the right form by looking at the title and the first question. This is especially helpful if you've duplicated a form and changed only a few details. Inside your form editor, it's time to copy the responder link, the URL people use to fill out the form. Avoid copying the address you see in your browser bar, that's the editing link. Instead, click the send button in the top right. Choose the link tab, which looks like a small chain icon, and you'll see the live form URL. Click copy to place it on your clipboard. If you want, you can quickly test it by opening a new tab and pasting it to confirm it loads the response page. If anyone later reports access issues, you may need to review your form settings to see whether it's restricted to your organization. Now, open WhatsApp on your phone, the desktop app, or WhatsApp web, whatever you use most comfortably. Choose the recipient you want to share with, either an individual chat or a group conversation. In the message box, paste the link you just copied. It's a good idea to include a brief note that tells people what the form is for, any deadline, and about how long it takes to complete. Clear context encourages faster, more accurate responses. When everything looks right, send your message and you're done. That's all it takes to share a Google Form link via WhatsApp. Keep the link handy if you'll send reminders, and consider saving your message text so you can reuse it the next time you need quick responses.